Hello guys, good afternoon. So today in this section we'll discuss about how to uh, show the Power BI's report in Power Apps. So this is the very easy way to do it. So here I'll show you how to do it, but I have already did that. So I'll show you the process to achieve this. So here like this is my Power BI in Office 365. So first of all you should have the license to log in the Power BI's. So if you have trial version also you can able to log in, but you have only 60 days of trial period to for Power BI's which Microsoft has provided. So what we'll do now, like as we know in apps, if you go to the Power BI's, if you go to the Get Apps, so here Microsoft provides so many types of apps which is already available here. If you go to the Power BI's report, here there are so many default services type of things are there. So we will use our, these are the like a templates. These are the existing templates which provided by Microsoft, which are already exist in this Power BI's. So what we'll do, we'll just use this template in your application. Like suppose I want to use Google Analytics. So how I will use Google Analytics? Here already the predefined template is there. We'll just use this template with, and we will point to our application where we are implemented the Google Analytics. So the same way I'll do it for like COVID-19. As we know now this is the COVID. Everyone is, every time they are looking for the to see the they are tracking the COVID-19 status. So here I did the same. Microsoft has also provided here. So this is the COVID-19 US tracking report. This is for US. So I think there is analysis COVID-19. There is also one more triggered. Maybe we will get all these report, means we will get report for all countries. But here this is like a for US. Okay, if you want to show this report in your application in like in Power Apps, so how you will do it? First step is, if you first you have to click on that, so that you will get COVID-19 US tracker report. So if you click it, get it now, it will install in your system. It will take some time and it will install here. As this is already installed, it will, I am not going to install again. It will override the existing version. If you have new version, then you can install it. So you can install it. Once you installed, it will come to your workspace. It will visible in your workspace. So if you click here COVID-19 tracker, now see, you can also connect to your data. If you connect to your data, you have to suppose you have to give the anonymous access or something, or private. You have to give the access URL, so that the report will be saved also in your system. Or connect to data means it will take your application data here and it will show the report based on the status. So now I will click on COVID-19. It will by default show you the USA. It actually, this is for USA. So that's in USA there are so many states are available. So it will show you all these confirmed cases, total death cases, means what are the percentage of cases, everything is on here. And here if you go daily increment, all these things, confirmed case, total death in graphical way, use fact. And here also you just point the, you can search based on the date, everything you can see it here. So this is the normal thing. So how we can see it in Power Apps? So what we'll do, we'll just go to here, there is a embed. So in embed we'll just click on here website or portal. If you click here, now we'll get a link, this link which we can use in your Power Apps. So just close it, just copy it and close it. Next, go to the power ups. Here I have already did it, so I'm just going to here. Just click on edit. Simply just go create a new canvas app. You can do it in phone layouts or tablet layouts. Just once it will take some time to open. So once open this thing, uh, yeah, it's yeah. Now what we'll do, if you see here, my report is loading here. How you can do, just there is a screen. You just go to the insert. In insert tab, if you go to the chart, there is a control like Power BI tile. Just once you click on this, it will drag it here. Next, in this is the Power BI means tile that control. Just go to here and go to the tile URLs. In this URL, just copy and paste the URL which you copied from Power BI and just click on the run. If you see, now the report is visible over here. This is the way you can do it. You can do it by filter based on the states. You can also do it based on the date. Everything you can see it here. This is the one thing. You can also filter by here. You can also filter here. You can also date on after 17. Everything you can do it here. This is the thing you can do, means you can show your corona virus in US months COVID-19 details in Power Apps using Power BI. That's all. Thanks guys for watching my videos. Bye.